Look at this dance clip from our last tutorial. The motion is nice, but look closer. The feet are sliding and floating. Let's fix this. First, go to Physics menu and turn on Center of Mass. Look at the top tag. It says Airborne. The engine instantly knows our character is floating and has no contact with the floor. This real-time detection is amazing. To fix this, let's place the model on the ground. In Object mode, click this green sphere. This is the root. Now, look below on the timeline. 3 green buttons appear: Move, Rotate, and Scale. Click Move to adjust your model on the grid. To get a better view, left-click to Orbit, or hold Ctrl and left-click to Pan. You can also go to the top toolbar, click Camera View, and select Front or Side View. Perfect. Now, press Escape to deselect. See this dot on the body and the shapes on the feet? This is center of mass. If the dot turns red, the top tag says falling. But when it turns green, it says balanced. Your physics are now perfect. Before we continue, let's check our quality score. Go to Physics and click Quality Score. This dashboard calculates your animation data in real time, so you can check it anytime. Look at the 5 rings. Our joint limits are yellow. Let's fix it. Click this gold button. Clamp joint violations. Boom. It turns green. Perfect. Now let's go to the next step. Now, open Physics menu again and select Foot Locking. Turn the switch on. Kinetiq reads the motion data and plants the feet down automatically. When foot locking is active, you see these red circles. Each circle shows exactly where the foot makes contact. We have 2 sliders here, Lock Threshold and Floor Y. This Mixamo animation is already pretty good, so we don't need big changes here. But you can use these sliders for fine-tuning. Just small movements to guarantee your model is perfectly solid on the ground. This powerful feature was born from a Thirdrez Labs white paper to solve foot sliding forever. It makes all the difference in our new video mocap tool, and especially for our next big project, Amanda Copilot, which is now in training. Our AI technology is unique. We don't just create random raw data. The Kinetiq Engine gives total freedom and the final polish to the creator. You are always in control. Next time we will explore jiggle bones, mirror, and auto loop. Access Kinetiq Engine, try it out, and subscribe for more. See you there.